Coach James, ano ang magandang health card ngayon na nasa market?
Tamang-tama. Halika, upo ka. Papaliwanag ko sa'yo. May bago at napakagandang health card sa AXA ngayon na tinatawag na Healthcare Access. Very comprehensive ang coverage na masasabi ko na incomparable ang mga benefits niya but more affordable than other healthcare providers. Very useful and reliable that can be used nationwide and even abroad for emergency purposes. And you can actually choose your own doctor in hospital that you like to visit among our affiliated doctors in hospitals na kahit mga bigating hospitals yan, affiliated natin yan. May 5 variant or annual benefit limit that you can choose sa health card na to, which are 500,000, 1 million, 2 million, 4 million, and 5 million. 6 sa built-in benefits ang health card na to, tulad ng inpatient care, outpatient care, life insurance, annual physical exam, dental care, accident care, at syempre covered ang mga pandemic sicknesses. Unlimited teleconsultation at may pa-cash money pa si AXA once you surrender your health card. Ang maganda pa sa health card na to, guaranteed renewable. Ito pa, may 10% discount na minimum of 2 family members na mag-avail nito. Pagdating naman sa premium, nakadepende ito sa age, gender, at sa annual benefit limit na mapipili mo. Para sa mas detalyadong impormasyon, kontakin mo ko mula sa application and even after sales, akong bahala sa'yo. I got you!